Want to be able to check your messages on the Messenger app without people knowing you've seen them? Now you can. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable read receipts on Messenger. Now let's get started. To turn off read receipts on Messenger, open the Messenger app on your device and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon. Select Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and tap Read Receipts. Then tap the switch labeled Show Read Receipts to turn this feature off. Once you disable read receipts, your friends will no longer be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when other people have read messages you've sent. You can turn read receipts back on at any time. That's all it takes to disable read receipts on Messenger. For more helpful Messenger tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Messenger tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.